Hi friends, I'm Emma. Today I woke up and saw something amazing. A rainbow was shining in the sky, but wait, something was missing. The rainbow looked sad. Only red, blue, and yellow were left. Where did the rest go? I decided to find out. I packed my backpack and started walking into the forest.
Hi, Emma, what's up?
The rainbow lost its colors.
Maybe the green fairy can help. She lives near the pond.
I'll return the green color if you solve my riddle. What grows on trees and is green and crunchy?
Leaves.
Correct.
I took the orange color to paint my desert.
The rainbow needs it.
Purple makes me feel magical.
Sharing colors makes everyone happy.
Thank you, Emma. Because of you, I shine again.
Colors are like friends. When we share and help each other, everything is brighter. Red is for love, orange for play, yellow makes us smile all day, green is fresh, blue is cool, purple makes the rainbow full. If you liked our rainbow story, click like and subscribe. More adventures are on the way.